Good morning. Derrick Sanderson here, Keller Williams Realty, coming at you for this week's Monday morning market update. I can't believe May is already half over. This year has just absolutely flown by. So for those of you who haven't been following along, totally okay. Essentially what I do every Monday is I go over what's going on here in Chico with single family residential homes. If you have any questions about any other part of the market, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to get you those numbers and that information and have a conversation with you. You can always reach out to me on my cell phone right there at the bottom of the screen, or you can message me on whatever platform you are watching this on. So without further ado, why don't we go ahead and take a look at what's going on. So currently, right now, here in Chico, we have 87 active listings. Yesterday, it hit 90. I was so excited. I was hoping that for today, it would be at 90. But alas, 3 of them went off the market since yesterday. Currently, we have 155 homes under contract, so they're pending or active under contract. So those sellers have accepted offers. For those 87 active listings right now, we're coming in at a crazy median list price at just over $557,000. It's important to remember the difference between median and average. Median, you take the least expensive to the most expensive, you line them up and bam, whatever's in the middle, that is your median number. So this tells us there's a lot more expensive homes on the market. And if we did a deep dive into the different segments, you would definitely see that indeed. For those 87 homes, we're looking at 37 days for an average on market. Let's take another step back and look at this last week. We've had 26 new listings come live. We've had 41 go under contract, and we've had 24 close. Now that close numbers, it's just important to know that here in Chico, our typical escrow is 30 to 45 days. So essentially 30 days ago-ish, 24 homes went under contract and now they're off market. Taking another step back and taking a look at the last 30 days, we've had 101 homes sell with an average of just 23 days on market with an average sales price of $516, just over $516,000. So that's kind of what's going on in the market. I have been adding this little stat for the last few weeks, the mortgage interest rates. So total disclaimer, I am not a loan officer. I'm not a mortgage professional. However, I've got a lot of friends that do, so if you want to connect with any, let me know. But this number is really important for buyers, especially if you were pre-approved 3-4 months ago. This number has been fluctuating quite a bit and it could affect your buying power. So make sure you circle back around to that lender and have a conversation with your agent. Also, if you're selling your home or thinking about selling, this number will affect you also. Go ahead and give me a call and we can definitely talk about how that might be. So something I'm adding this week is coming soon. I actually have 2 incredible homes that are coming live this coming Friday. They are in a price point that they will fly off the market. So as I go over them, if you think they might meet your needs, go ahead and reach out and I'd love to connect with you about it and maybe be able to get you an early preview. So we've got 22 Terrace Drive coming in at $324,500. This home has got an excellent location. It's just a block down from In Motion Fitness. Beautiful backyard, beautiful back patio to spend those summer evenings. So that's coming available on Friday. Also on Friday, we've got 1528 Boucher Street. Now don't let the exterior of this one deter you. The owners bought this over 30 years ago and they've been pouring their love and money and sweat into this home. They've remodeled it. It's incredible. There's an additional 410 square foot master suite that's been added to the back, and that's why you have over 1,400 square feet in this home. Also, incredible backyard. So if you have any questions about those, definitely feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I hope you have an incredible week. Enjoy the weather, stay safe, and I'll see you all again next Monday for a Monday morning market update.